Previously we looked at the candlestick body. If I go back, you'll find that this is now the body, this is the body, this is the body. Okay, so we have the body of the candlesticks. This is the real body. So these are the main part of the candlestick, but still this makes a lot of sense because the market has come here, then it dropped. It is matter of time. Maybe it could have moved back here, but the time elapsed. Let's say this is an hourly candlestick. So 1 hour was over when the market was here. Maybe if it could be 2 hours, the market could have come here. So the candlestick, the formation does not matter a lot. What matters is time. Okay, and also the time is what it determines the candlestick that is formed. So what we should focus on is the movement of the market. The market has already moved up to this point, so this level has been reached, so there is higher possibility that it will be it again. Okay, so here we focus the real body is the essence of the market psychology. So the real body of the candle, this is what we check most. This is what determines how the market is moving. But again, I always say that it's good to also check the week, because this is where the market has reached so far. Now we are checking the types, the basics of candlesticks. The basic candlesticks. This is now the candlestick and how it defines the market. Then we will go to the market and find each of the candlestick. We see where we are finding the candlesticks. Get me clearly. I want us to move together in this. Make sure that you watch the next video so that you can get full thing about the candlestick. So we have the basic candlesticks. We start with the long day. If you can check the long day, okay, this one defines the support and the resistance. You see, the midpoint is used as support and the resistance. This midpoint, you can see, maybe the market is coming here, is being resisted, so it forms. So if you can check, this is long day, means that the candlestick we are using, the daily candlestick, it's long enough. Okay, the market, it's a strong buy or a strong sell. That is why the candlestick has moved. Don't means that there is insignificant body. Body is like a line. If you check this one, the body of the candle of this is like a line, not as big as this one, not as big as this one or as this one. Okay, the body is huge. The body is huge. This is a very small body. There was a shadow or a tail. There is a wick, a tail, then there is a small body. So the market opened there, and after 1 day it closed at the same point. It can also be formed like this. The market opened here, went down, and then returned to the same position. The same case with the long wick. The market opened here, went up, and came back to where it opened. I think you are getting. Spinning is whereby there is no big movement. The market, there is a small real body, color not imp. That means that is spinning. The market is spinning at the same position. This is also formed in areas of consolidation. So spinning, if you check, this is at the same level. So the market closed here. It opened, went down, but it did not leave past the closing. It also closed where it opened. Okay, this is high wave, whereby the wicks are long and the tails are long. The shadows, lower shadow, The shadows are long. Let me use shadow, and the shadows are long. So the real body, small real body, and color not imp, long shadows. So there is long shadows. So this is high wave. The market opened at this point, moved to here. Okay. Then the market again came down, opened at this point, moved to here, long, went back here, came long. Then this sometimes happens when there is news. This you will find this when there is news. Okay, to trade this you must be careful. Have strong stop loss that are not compromised. Now I want to check the long day, Donchi, and spinning high wave on real chart. Then we can move to another thing. Okay, powerful candlesticks, we are going. Okay, so I'm looking at, I want to check those candles. You can see the Donchi. We can see the Donchi. One is here. This is the Donchi. These things, I told you that these things are there in the market. So we have the Donchi. Sorry for this. We have the Donchi. Donchi is here. If you can check. There is this one Donchi. This Donchi. Another Donchi. Another Donchi. Another Donchi. That is have a long tail. You can see a Donchi. Market opened at this point and almost closed at the same point. Then this one was formed. Okay. Long day. A long day is here. Is here. We can have this one. Even though tails are not the same, but bodies are the same. Long day. Okay. Spinning. Let us check the spinning. Let me check the spinning. Spinning, spinning, spinning. Want to check a good spinning? Yes, here it is. An example of spinning is this one. Even though it's not that clear. Yeah, this one. This one is a bit close to spinning. You can see that the bodies are at the same point. This and this. So spinning, it does not mean that the wick or the shadows must be the same. This one is okay. So we also have the ones with the long shadow. So yes, we have that. So all these candlesticks are formed in the market. We have all these they are in the market. This one, they are in the market. If you can check, yeah, this one, I wave. Now we have checked it. Let us check the I wave, whether we can find I wave in our chart. I wave in our charts. This one could be make one, but let me move. I show you high waves where they are found. Here they are. This is high wave. This could be very strong news. You see, These candlesticks, long wicks, they have long wicks and a small body, such that the wick is the shadows are the shadows are longer than the body. You see, these are long waves, candlesticks. Okay. Now we have covered the parts of the candlesticks, the bodies, and now those are the types of candlesticks. Now moving forward, we will learn more about the candlesticks. At this point, we will check the Donchi. We have checked the Donchi. Open and close an arrow or same point. You see the Donchi, where the Donchi is. Doji is formed here. This is now the Donchi. If you check very well, this is the Donchi. So there is a lot of Donchis here. 1, 2, 3. There is a lot of Donchis that are formed in the market. Okay. So I will explain more about the Donchi in my next lesson. Okay. This is silver weekly. This is a weekly chart of silver. I don't trade silver. What silver did to me, I don't trade silver. So I will continue with this. So we take just a short break, then we come back. Thank you for watching.